I'm Auntie Beth.
Hi, I'm Auntie Karen.
And this is
Auntie Time!
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day, Tita Beth!
Yes, bilang guro ang ating
Happy
for
Mother's
today.
Day, everybody! This is our
Happy Mother's Day, Ante!
This is a Mother's Day special.
Mas special tong episode na to kasi Mother's Day at Happy Mother's Day sa mga auntie natin dyan.
na nanonood. Kahit na yung mga fur moms, Happy Mother's Day.
Or kahit parang mother figure.
Mother figure.
Diba?
Sa akin ngayon, parang walang basta you take care of people you love. Because we can we can be mother to our aging parents.
Correct.
To our 7
yeah.
cats.
Yes,
right?
correct. To our dogs.
Not just to our children, but Happy Mother's Day to all the aunties watching
This
episode.
Pero yun, ang focus natin ngayon, guest natin ang...
Very special ang guests natin.
Oo, ang
very,
ginakis
very
mo.
special. Parang kung sa ano yan, may extra ube at sa halo-halo, may ube na meron pang strawberry on top.
May ice cream. Ganyan.
May ice cream. Ganun ka-special ang guests natin this
correct.
episode because we will be looking from their eyes.
Yung
Kasi
ating mga...
pinagdadaanan ngayon.
Yung mga... ang guest natin is yung mga victims natin.
Mga aming collateral damage.
Ang anak at asawa.
So,
natin.
yes.
Nandito to talk about kung paano ba yung stage natin ngayon as a mom, as a wife, as we're going through this, sa lens nila.
That's right.
Kumbaga,
That's right. Kasi marami nang malang episodes nang they have been hearing about our journey from our point of view. Hi nga pala sa tita nating nagsabing bawasan yung
Bawasan niyo ba yung
daldal namin.
At tinake namin yung advice, babawasan na ni Auntie Karen.
Babawasan ko ng slide.
yung daldal namin para makasilita yung mga
But we so appreciate those messages that we receive.
Correct.
We don't know you, but we feel like we're connected already. And feedback is good. And keep those messages coming, mga ante. It's our fuel really to keep on doing
there's
this.
someone listening.
There's someone listening in our podcast. Thank you
to
so
begin
much.
with.
Yes. So,
But anyway, so for today's topic nga, so ang guest natin yung Junakis mo at ang aking
jowa.
asawa ko. So mamaya yan, makikita natin ano yung mga perspectives nila.
Very timely.
Binantaan mo ba si Ini? Kasi binantaan ko yung asawa ko na ayusin mo yung pagsalita.
Hindi ko kailangan pagbantayan yung anak ko. Overly opinionated yung batang yun. But,
So, mas exciting. But before we go there, pag-usapan muna natin yung motherhood natin. Or siguro kung paano ba tayo pinalaki din muna ng mga nanay natin. Just to compare, ano ba yung mga alam ng mga nanay before and then yung time natin ngayon.
Yes.
And then
motherhood from yesteryears.
Correct.
From this generation.
Correct. Ako ang nakikita ko na kapareho kay Mama Irene is with my mom also, kay Mama Beth. Career woman pareho yung moms
Yes.
natin.
Hardworking career. Boomer sila, diba?
Yes. So, boomer na nga sila.
Boomer sila.
Hindi kami yung boomer.
Hindi
Sila.
kami boomer ha. Kami Gen X antes.
So, sila yung boomer. So, iba rin yung mothering na ginawa nila sa atin.
Yes.
Sa'yo, ante, paano ba yung style?
Well, ako I think I grew up in a generation, actually, Ante Bel, hindi alam ng mga anak ko, ang term na sabat.
Hindi nila alam yung term.
Hindi nila alam yung sabat. Kasi ako, I knew it from a young age because I came from a generation where children are seen but not heard. Diba yung parang, bawal sumabat.
Correct.
Pag nag-uusap,
Yung mga
ang matanda, bawal lang sumabat. So, to the millennials and younger people who are you're listening right now, sabat is hindi ka pwedeng mag-butt in pag nag-uusap ang mga Thundercats.
Hindi ka pwedeng mag-opinion. Wala kang say.
Yes. That's my generation. Our generation.
Yes,
Ganun din ba sa inyo, Ante
Yes,
Bel?
ganun din. Na parang nag-uusap yung mga matatanda, hiwalay yung mga bata.
That's
Kasi wala naman silang pwedeng masabi. Parang ganun yung nung time na yon. Kaya yung mga generation ngayon, swerte na rin talagang
Hindi kasi
pinapakinggan sila.
tayo, yung generation natin, ako naisip ko noon, pag ako nagkaanak, I want to be different.
So nung time na yun, gusto mong sumabat pero hindi ka makasabat.
Oo, girl.
So ngayon, gusto mong bigyan, ikaw.
Ngayon, gusto ko nang busalan yung anak ko sa dami ng opinion.
So yun pala yun. So kinain mo yung sarili. Kinain mo yung
sabi ko kasi nung mga habang pinapagalitan ako, syempre, generation sinturon ako eh.
Ako naman, hanger.
Ako na, sinturon ako noon.
Oo.
Na parang,
Ano ba yung weapon of choice ng
weapon
mga
of choice, chinelas, sinturon,
Correct.
hanger, or walis.
Correct.
Ako.
At tambo at mayroon pang ting-ting.
Ting-ting. Mas masakit ting-ting. Napaano rin ako yung
Napaluhod.
sa may munggo ba?
Munggo.
Ikaw, hindi?
Correct. Ano lang, napa-face the wall.
Ay,
Hindi pa ako
parang-
napamunggo nung mga
parang
panahon
lugi
yun.
ako sa nanay ko
Baka mabait kasi ako.
Anyway,
Oo.
so yun yung mothering nila versus our generation na I was very mindful.
Sanay tayo sa
Oo.
punishment.
Sanay tayo sa punishment.
Oo.
Do you call that punishment? I
Yeah.
think, looking back now,
Grounded ka, grounded dito. Ngayon ba, may grounded pa bang, may ginagamit pa bang pens? Oh, you're grounded. You're not allowed to use your cellphone.
ay parang
Ganun ba?
hindi na yata sa akin.
Never ko
Mamaya
nagawa.
malalaman natin.
Oo, sige.
sa episode na to. Kasi going back to our mothers,
Oo.
it's a different kind of love. Now that I'm a mom in mid-age as well, mas na-appreciate ko si mama ngayon.
Oh, yun kaya yung sabi nila, pagka teenager ka, hindi mo siya ma-appreciate.
Oh, I hated my mom. I was closer to my dad growing up.
Oo, hindi kasi, ano rin tayo, hormonal imbalance din na nangyayari sa atin at that time. May identity crisis din tayo at that time. Pero, tahimik lang din sila, hindi nila tayo masyadong
Actually,
pinapansin.
hindi nga natin alam na nagmi-midlife transition ng nanay natin. I mean, you lost Auntie Beth at a very young
49 eh.
She was 49 with breast cancer. Ako naman, I'm very fortunate that I got to see my mom. Well, I was a young mom. Nagta-transition na ako to a young mom while my mother was going through her midlife transition.
Oo.
Actually, naalala pa nga si mama noon na siya yung generation na pinatigil mag-HRT.
Oh.
Yes, nag-HRT si
Ganda din
mama.
na nakita mo yun.
O, tapos
And then-
biglang
okay.
pinatigil na lang ng OB na hindi. And then my mom said, yeah, I was gaining weight and nakaka-cancer nga daw.
That's
Siya
right
yung
kasi.
generation na yun, na tumigil si mama mag-HRT.
Pero na-enjoy niya yung HRT for a while, na naging comfortable siya. at
Naging
that
comfortable,
time.
but
Nung
all she
tinigil
complained was, I gained so much weight. Parang sa akin, baka hindi naman sa HRT yun, baka dahil talagang, di ba tayo?
Sa genes na ba yan?
Hindi. I think, di ba, we grow unnecessary
Oh, yes.
fats everywhere. Now, na-experience natin
correct.
yun, diba? Na
Oo.
tayo, nung college tayo, kahit na dalawang, ng
Bandehan.
kanin, bandehadong kanin, wala sa atin. Ngayon, talagang huminga ka lang ng pagkain, plus 5 pounds na
Correct. Oo.
Diba? So,
Aside from that, ano pa yung parang naalala natin na style ng mga mama natin dati?
iba-ibang perspective
Dati ako, labas ng labas ng bahay, 'di ba? Ngayon naman ako sa anak ko, ikaw ina-encourage ko naman lumabas. Pero ako, ina-encourage ako magstay ng bahay. So parang I don't know kung family dynamics na lang ba 'yan or
Could
sa
be.
inyo ba?
Kasi iba yung generation natin Wala pa tayong, kaya nga bilib ako ngayon sa parents natin. Kasi yung tayong generation na pag lumabas ka, hindi mo alam kung kailan ka babalik. Hindi alam ng parents natin. Wala tayong mga links of our whereabouts.
Correct.
We can say we're in San Juan when in fact we're in Makati partying at Euphoria.
Correct. Oo.
Diba? Pwede na sabihin na, dito lang ako sa bahay.
Nagsi-study group.
Study group.
Oo,
sa
ganyan.
giraffe.
Pero pero nasa
alam mo
giraffe.
yan, nasa
Nasa
giraffe.
Mars ka.
Nasa
ganun.
Mars. Oy, we're dating ourselves. Alam mo yan.
Oo, kasi nga, walang technology, thankfully. And kahit na anong walwal yung gawin mo during the time, walang scandal na lalabas at that
sa
time.
generation namin, wala sa My Day. Biglang ano to, diba? My
Correct. So,
Day.
ngayon, ang mga parents nasa Facebook mo na rin.
Exactly.
Like tayo nasa Facebook. Kaya yung mga bata ngayon,
Pero
nasa iba ng platform.
nasa ibang platform at saka pagbabantaan kang, sige, gawin mo yan, ibablock kita.
Ayaw nila nang minamind
Ako, pwede mo bang pagbantaan ng nanay mo back in the day?
Hindi, baka masampal.
Meron akong kalalag yan pag nagbanta ako sa nanay ko.
Hindi yan ubra dati.
Oo, ngayon hindi. Don't post that, mom, or I'll block you forever.
Oo nga.
Oo, diba? May ganun.
Tsaka kailangan ipakita mo sa, can I post this picture with you and me?
Ayaw, kailangan
Ayaw,
magpaalam. Meron kang clearance muna.
Correct.
So, there are 3 ways of talagang from parenting from then to now. And it would be interesting how our children would be parenting when it's their time to
Oo, pero
have their own family.
before we go there, paano ba tayo nung bata tayo na may energy pa tayo nung kabataan natin na as a mom? Active ako nung
Physical
nung-
energy.
Oo, yung time na yan Kaya ko mag-breastfeed, kaya kong maggising in the middle of the night, kahit umiyak yung anak ko. Kaya ko maglinis, sabay-sabaw. Although, I would have to say, very supportive naman yung husband ko in terms of,
Childcare.
Childcare. Growing to this marriage. No? Okay naman na siya doon. Kaya siguro hindi ako masyadong na-expose sa fatigue at that time. At siguro kasi bata din. Pero ngayon, ante, okay na lang sa akin ma-miss yung mga games nung anak ko kasi may son.
Your son is a varsity for table tennis.
Oo. So, kahit na nami-miss ko na yon, parang okay na lang sa akin kasi hindi ko na kaya magstay the whole day watching. Unlike nung bata siya na may at bata rin ako, lahat yan. Papatulan ko. Lahat
So,
yan pupuntahan ko kahit training.
It would be interesting to talk about the different phases of motherhood. Kasi ngayon, we went through the young motherhood phase, now towards midlife. Ngayon, kids natin, young adults or going through quarter life crisis. It would be interesting to know also the lens of our children.
Kasi we're going through something. They're going through something din naman. Hindi
That's
naman
right,
pwedeng
that's right.
they're not going through
Iba, I
something
think,
din.
iba, interesting ang midlife motherhood. Lalo na in the age of peri and menopause.
O sige.
So, would there be greater emotional clarity kaya? We will know
Tingnan
later.
natin.
Tingnan natin.
Sige.
We would also talk about mothers, yung self-identity natin ngayon. Now that we are in midlife. Ito ba yung bumabalik na ba tayo sa totoong self natin? Mas may clarity na ba? Or we're still in a zone of chaos ng buhay natin? And how our children and our spouse or our parents,
How does that affect them?
I
No.
think
Meron. Alam natin na may effects yan sa kanila. Tingnan
Kasi,
natin.
marami yung everyday reality natin, 'di ba? Yung emotional regulation natin, sa pasensya na lang natin, yung
Oo, one is, tayo kailangan natin i-regulate yung emotions natin. Sila rin. Kasi hindi pwedeng patulan din nila tayo. Hindi siya parang personal. Nangyayari.
Tsaka,
burst.
communication style, iba na rin ngayon. I mean, you cannot talk to your 25-year-old son and say, you did a good job today.
Oo,
wala nang
ganon.
Ibang
Iba na.
level of conversation na. Like when I had this recent trip with Luigi, 'di ba, in
Your
Japan,
oo.
I looked at my firstborn in a different light.
Mm.
More of friends than mother and son. We're still mother and son. They're gonna be our babies for the rest of our lives.
Correct.
Pero iba na talagang atake even sa communication eh. Ngayon yung
Ano yung mga
biggest takeaway
discoveries
ko,
ba yan? Or,
we should listen more. And they will surprise us.
so, are you saying because ang wiring natin is dak-dak, dapat pala makinig muna, makinig.
oo. And then-
yun yung discovery mo.
And you think you know them because they're your children. They will surprise you. I was surprised with, and it's a good thing. It's a good surprise. Na may yung mga ni Luigi na, kasi I would always see him as my firstborn. And you know, you
He's
only
how
have
old
only
now?
ka.
28 ba?
28.
8. Oh.
28.
Oo.
Iba na eh. He's a young man eh.
Oo. Young man pa ba yung 28?
Young man, kung sa bagay, 28, tatay na yung tatay niya eh. Siya parang wala pa yatang plano sa buhay maging,
Oo.
thank you Lord. Pero iba na yung communication namin. Parang minsan na-stuck akong 12-year-old mental, parang they're still 12-year-old.
So, mas tinuturuan mo siya. Ngayon, may sarili na siyang
hindi.
diskarte.
He has his own diskarte. He has his own thoughts about a lot of things. Na parang, dahil siguro busy tayo in our daily lives as mothers, homemakers, and career, na hindi na pala tayo masyadong in
touch?
or naiwan tayo sa high school silang mentality na dapat turuan. Hindi. They have minds of their own.
Oo.
So, it's an interesting time. It was a very good mother and son
So,
trip.
maganda rin na may ganon. Not necessarily mga ante that you have to go out of the country to do this. Pero ang sinasuggest ni Ante Karen natin is bonding ng bawat isang
Individual,
anak mo.
individual.
I'm sure ginagawa rin ng husband mo yan
Yes.
individually.
Palit naman kami.
Palit naman.
Sila naman mag-moment.
Oo.
Isa.
So, yun nga. So, maganda rin palang may ganon. Kahit na lumabas lang kayo kayong dalawa lang, i-date niyo yung mama nyo. Yeah, diba? Yun
It
yung-
matters. I think nakakakilig. Kahit
Oo.
kapilang yan. Yung mga young kids na who's listening, sobrang kahit kapilang yan, big deal sa amin yan. And allow us to get to know you guys a little
Oo.
more.
Hindi, at saka it's an opportunity din for your mom na mag-relax din at mawala sa bahay for a while. Kasi pag nasa bahay, somehow, makikita, ay, lilinisin to. Ay, ano bang problema? Kailangan ng ayusin to. Hindi mo rin masyadong masasabi na relax yung mommy mo at home kasi ang dami niyang iniisip, dami niyang inaasikaso. Pero the moment you invite your mom out, it changes everything for her. Diba?
Actually,
kahit kape nga lang.
Our children could do no wrong.
Mm-mm.
Our children can do no wrong.
Mm-mm.
Kahit nadakdakan namin kayo sabi ko nga parang, sorry ang asawa mo papalitan 1,000 times, pero children are forever. Children
tama
are
naman.
forever. But sasabihin naman ng iba, hindi, pero nag-umpisa kayong mag-asawa.
Pero ending nito, ante.
kasama lahat yung asawa na.
So, yun siya talaga, 'di ba? Pero, meron ding school of thought ante na kailangan din talagang i-prioritize ang mga husband. Kasi sila rin kumbaga, ibig sabihin,
You started
ma-establish yung
together, you will
relationship
end up
ninyo.
together. Oh.
Kailangan mo pa rin i-build yung relationship na yan through and through. Kasi at the end of it all, yung
Pero dahil
relationship
Mother's
is-
Day at hindi naman natin anniversary, gusto ko lang
Oo, i-emphasize.
i-emphasize how we take our motherhood to heart.
Oo.
And while we're going through this transitional phase, I'm just so excited that we get to see and thoughts from the lens of our children, at least my son, and our spouse.
Oo.
Through Tito Lor naman.
Correct, to my husband.
So,
So, I guess,
we
that's
can
our
move
cue.
forward. That's our cue. We can move forward. And I'm so excited in this episode. This
Ako
is so
rin.
special.
Ang dami kong tanong sa anak mo.
At marami akong tanong sa asawa mo.
Ayan na.
Alam mo yan.
Okay.
So without further ado, hindi ako nahirapang imbitahan to dahil
Very supportive ang anak mo.
very supportive. Medyo kamukha siya ng tatay niya pero sinasabi nila mas kaugali ko.
May ugali mo.
So without further ado, it is my great pride to introduce to everybody my son, my youngest boy, Inigo, also known as Igo Bebe.
Welcome, Inigo!
Hello, baby.
Hi! It's so fun to be here.
Talaga ba? Yung fun ba talaga yung term?
It's scary, but I mean, everything that's scary is kind of fun.
Oh,
in
that's
some
oh,
sense.
ano talaga? Gen Z.
Gen Z ang atake. Alam mo
But
yan.
that's good. Pero ako, bago natin tanungin yung mga questions natin kay Inigo, no? Ano muna yung reaction mo when your mom invited you to guest?
I was scared, honestly.
Bakit?
Because it's a big undertaking. Like, what are we going to talk about? And then when mom sent me the script and like the flow, I was like, okay, no, it's not as scary.
Oh,
Because I thought I would need to memorize lines. I was like, I'm not a born actor.
Oo, hindi naman. Wala. Free-flowing tayo. Those
Yeah.
are just guide lang naman. Walang script naman talaga na as you know, minsan nga.
Talagang spontaneous. Of course, there would be
Correct.
talking guides.
Correct.
But pretty much, this is as authentic as we'll ever get ourselves.
Correct.
Yeah.
And your mom was so excited. As in, when the theme came out, and she's like, oh my God, my son will do it. As in, super excited
Kahit hindi pa ako
siya.
nagpapaalam, inassume ko na.
Oo,
Yeah.
and
I don't think I would have said no anyway.
Of course.
Exactly.
Yes.
So yun, first question. Siyempre, pinag-uusapan natin is motherhood at this stage, midlife.
Yeah.
When did you know na parang, she's going through something versus, she's like that naman talaga or
Before
she's not
growing
like
up.
that? Ano yung difference? Paano mo siya nalaman?
Okay, where do we start? I guess when I was small, mom was she's a go-getter. Like, she's a career woman
Yes.
through and through. So she would always go out to work, and I would normally be left at home with the ate. So I kind of grew up independent, and I think mom emotional intelligence transferred to me, and then I picked up that like, okay, mom has to work because it's her passion, it's what makes her happy. So I was very understanding of it. So it was very okay growing up. Like, mom wasn't too strict. I think she would just let me go out on my own. At 14, I was having sleepovers at friend's house, and she'd be like, "Yeah, just go, have fun.
Cool,
don't do
mom.
drugs."
Just
don't do drugs.
Yeah, so it's like,
Oo.
okay,
It's a typical, aside from don't do drugs, what else?
Yeah.
Meron pa ba or yun na yun?
just don't do drugs.
That time.
Use
Okay.
protection, and I'm like, I'm
Exactly.
14.
14.
Yes, of
Yeah,
course.
exactly. Oo.
I am that practical.
Yeah, but I guess now, and like, I kind of got a sense that something was changing during the pandemic, particularly 2021. Mom was cooking in the kitchen, then she came out like she came from a sauna. Like, sweat was dripping all over her
Oh,
body.
so
she's
hot
like,
flashes
is it just
yun.
me or is it hot? And all of a
Because
sudden,
the three of them, my boys, my husband, and they're like, I was serving dinner. I'm like, is it hot?
Tito, ante.
As in here, and I
ganyan.
was sweating, and they were like,
Oo.
no.
So yun nga yun.
Oo.
So as far back as 2021 pa pala yung mga symptoms.
Yeah.
2021, I was like, what, 46?
Ang hirap nun kasi during pandemic, magkakasama kayong
Yes,
lahat.
yes.
You're stuck together.
Stuck
Yeah.
together.
And then you're having the symptoms.
yes.
So what did you think of that? Na
Tsaka
parang-
nagka-vertigo ako episode nun, no?
yeah, like mom would just lay down and she would just be staring at the sky like she can see God.
but not the end of the tunnel.
yeah.
Okay. So how did you react na ganun na pala yung nangyayari sa kanya? I'm sure hindi mo pa alam yun, ante, na you're going through perimenopause sa 2021.
Yes, because yun nga, naisip ko, I'm still having my regular period eh.
Oo nga, that's a common kasi misconception.
Misconception na it couldn't be menopause because I'm still getting my regular period. But I was feeling that because I didn't know also any better what perimenopause was
Correct.
that time.
Correct. Pero yung time na yan kasi vertigo tsaka yung hot flashes, hindi mo masyadong affected kayo. Kasi
Yeah.
medyo personal mong na-experience yan.
Oh, and I was working out every day. I was doing yoga every day. I was baking every day and
Exactly.
planting every day.
Oo, naging plantita ka
Plantita
pala.
rin ako. At
Not a
saka-
very good one, though.
I killed but I made perfect bread from
Yeah, the ube pandesal you made.
Yeah, I
Yes,
did.
I remember that. Pero ano yung nakita mong symptoms na naging affected na yung
I
meron
think it
ba?
really reached its height 2022, 2023. Because that's when the emotional changes
Oo,
started
kasi
kicking
yun
in.
physical yung...
Pero di ba ever since crazy naman si mom?
Yeah, but this was a different brand of crazy. And I think we were both at our peak,
Luxury daw.
We were
Luxury
both-
brand.
at our craziest during that time.
Kasi how old were you then?
I was like 22, and then I was going through my first breakup.
Oh, so
And then-
interesting.
And I think college was online at that time.
Yeah, no, 2022 it was fully on-site.
Okay, may jowa ka na noon, anak. I know.
No, but like it was crazy because I was going through a breakup, very emotional. She was starting to experience menopause.
Emotional.
Very emotional.
Then,
So we would be at home just shouting at each other. Like I'm pretty sure the neighbors were just sleeping like this.
pero you knew that he's going through that phase.
He
na
wasn't
breaking
telling
up
me. And
at
you
that
know, I felt
time.
siguro at that time, dude, we're best friends all our lives. And now, all of a sudden, you're just caving in and you're not telling me stuff.
Why? Ngayon malalaman na natin why.
Because I was also doing very adult stuff.
Yeah, oh,
Okay.
oo.
So parang feeling mo at the time, I can handle this. I'm an
Yeah.
adult.
Yeah.
Ganun
Yeah,
yung feeling.
yeah.
Siguro because, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, you grew up, as you said, independent.
Yeah.
You grew up independently. So parang,
They're so
I
used
can
to
do
having
this.
mom traveling for work.
Oo.
Oo. Meron silang ganun. So,
Oo.
yeah, I think 2023 was a difficult year for our
Yeah,
relationship.
because that's when you were very emotional because of your hormones, and then you were also very praning, or how do I say it?
Yeah, I think
You
the
were kind
term
of
is praning.
paranoid.
yeah.
Yeah, I remember. Kwento mo yun. Kung
Yeah.
paano yung situation
I
na
would
yan.
be out drinking with friends as a normal college student would, and my mom would call me and be like, "Where are you? What time are you going home? Send me your
link.
location."
I want to see.
Like
who you with?
and you said every every hour. I
Of
remember that kwento.
course, of
Like every
course.
na hindi mo ginagawa, hindi ka
I
ganun
used to not,
before.
na parang sa akin, just, before, may ano ko pa yan, dadali ng friend niya, lasing na lasing, and I'd be like, oh, nag-electrolyte ka ba para bukas wala kang hangover? Ngayon, parang talagang, I don't know why heightened din yung praningan ko nun.
Yeah.
Na older siya.
Dun sa ano na yun. Tapos, yun nga. So, siguro nga, yun yung na-notice mo na difference in terms of emotional or effect sa inyo. So, how did you handle that?
How did I handle it? Well, I think me and my friends have a support group for perimenopausal moms.
Oh, wow!
Oh, really?
Because like my other friend has a mom who's perimenopausal as well. She's like, yeah, my mom is like hot flashes and she's like emotionally volatile. And I was like, oh, mine too.
Oh, okay. So, may group na pala
May group
sila.
na pala. Oh,
Yeah.
good.
So, pwede tayo magpagawa ng shirt na perimenopause survivor.
Yes, pwede. As
I
merch
survive-
natin. Yes,
correct.
yes.
Yeah.
Kasi so, at least meron kang group
Yeah.
na gano'n. So somehow,
that's
ang mga
nice
auntie
to
natin
know.
and
Oo.
their kids, ang takeaway natin dito, we want them also to relate to the kids like you of perimenopausal, menopausal women. And what do you think is common dun sa community niyo aside from the hot flashes? Maybe the audience can relate also. Nangyayari rin yan sa parents ko aside from what you mentioned. Sa kanila, ano pa yung mga na-mention nila? Meron
It's
ba?
really the hot flashes, and the
flashes.
emotional, like
Roller coaster.
the roller coaster of like 1 minute I'm talking to you about something, the next minute she's shouting at me to wash the dishes.
Because pag inipes yun, anak, oh my
Like
God.
I'd be like, Mom, what are we
Pero
having for
hindi ka
dinner?
daw ganon.
Chicken. Ba't mo hindi pa nyo washing dishes? I was like, oh, okay.
So,
It's
minsan magagalit, tapos biglang, oh, you want ganyan?
It's man,
Biglang
ano nga ako
nagiging
para akong
kalma.
bipolar.
Oo.
No, cause you know,
Ano ba yung sa bipolar?
even, hindi, kasi sa akin, I enjoy, like, on the few nights that we have family dinner, because everybody, we got our own lives, no? On the few nights that we have dinner,
Oo.
I even enjoy putting rice on their plate. I enjoy that to this day, now more than ever.
Oo.
in midlife na I need to remind myself. And I enjoy that. Pero syempre, because we're grown, I've grown kids, yung pati yung chores, dun lang ako medyo talagang pumipitik. Because end of the night, kailangan my kitchen's clean.
Yeah.
You know, I don't want it with, unwashed dishes.
Yes,
Pet
of course.
peeve
Lahat
ko
naman
yun
yata.
Oo.
Lahat naman yata. ng
So,
moms. Oo.
yun lang, medyo I enjoy cooking for them.
Oo.
Diba? In the little time that I have, talagang I do little things. Pero talagang I don't know why nga meron tayong sudden pitik na, bakit hindi nyo linisin to? Kailangan pa ba ulit-ulitin? Blah, 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 the
Correct,
usual.
correct.
But I think,
So, it went on from 2021 until now. May changes ba?
I think now that mom has gotten more accessible treatments, it has changed. It has mellowed down.
Oh, because
I'd
of the
say.
hormone replacement
snapping
therapy?
turtle pa ba ako?
Yun ba yun?
No, I'd say it's dad now. if anything. Dad
So,
is-
yung daddy niya ng andropause na.
Andropause naman.
Well,
But
ibang
gumawa
topic
sila siya
yun.
ng show nila, no? Excuse me.
Well, so you're saying since nag-HRT,
yeah.
si Ante Ka, ang mom mo, feeling mo yun.
She's been
Na-observe
less
mo.
she's been less shouty at least.
Okay. I think yun din naman sabi mo, even at work Hindi ka na masyadong
Oo,
pumapatol
parang di na. Kung if I can let that one go, I don't know if it's progesterone,
I think yun.
the magnesium. I don't know. Again, informed decision for your...
Prior that ba, kompleto rin yung tulog ni mom mo before HRT?
Before I'd say in the pandemic she had a lot of sleep.
Yeah. Pero may shouty.
Meron,
Yeah.
pero yung gigising ka na madaling araw, because pandemic time was years of uncertainty for us.
Yes.
Yeah.
We don't even know, are we gonna survive this? I have an
Nakapraning.
aging mom.
And especially, you hear a lot of people dying.
We know of people who talagang it was parang sila, parang okay, chill. Pero ako noon, as kami, tayo noon, how long will my savings last?
Yes, correct.
Right?
Oo, correct.
What if my mom gets sick? What if my children, what if
Correct.
I get sick?
Correct,
Are we
correct.
ready for it? So, magsabay yung pandemic and
Nakapraning
perimenopause.
talaga.
Kahit na araw-araw na meditation tsaka yoga, parang at the end of the
Parang
day,
kulang.
kailangan mag-yoga yata ako tsaka meditation 24 hours.
Para lang to calm your
Yes,
ano.
yes.
Your
Now that I've thought of it, kaya pala ako nag-meditation and yoga for like 2 straight years, no? To
Yeah.
regulate myself. Oo.
So, yun nga. So, alam mo na, may manifestations like that. Pero how did you adjust?
Yung hormonal
Nagkaroon
flashes
ba ng,
natin.
oo, yung
Do
mga
you remember
classes
that?
I think it all boiled down to how I was kind of raised. Yeah, because I mean, as I said, I think I'd like to think that I'm emotionally intelligent, and I'm not really like dense. So I was like, why is my mom going through this? And then,
Nag-research ka ba? Or,
yeah, I'd say it's because of the books I read too. That I'm like, okay, I'm kind of starting to gauge like how women change throughout their years
Diba?
when they peak in their fertility, when they're not peaking
That's
anymore.
nice.
Which is like the gifts of the, this internet, no?
Oo, the
Kasi
technology.
panahon natin, we don't have that luxury.
Wala.
'Di ba? Parang sa atin noon, iiyak lang tayo pag hindi
Kasi hindi
natin.
na natin alam anong gagawin natin.
Pupunta pa ba tayo sa library noon para...
Oo.
Diba?
Sila, easily, they can research about it.
Did you even have libraries during your time?
Yeah.
naman.
I think,
Grabe
gustong
naman.
batang ko. Meron nga siya tinanong, Mom, yung time niyo ba, black and white pa yung mundo? And I'm like,
Ang
what the
OA naman
fuck
ng
is
black
wrong
and
with you,
white.
child?
Yun naman.
Yeah. So,
Pero yeah, tama naman. At least may access sila. And actually, more than that, you were raised well talaga.
I
Because,
hope so.
nag-effort ka. Not a lot of people will do that effort pa na baala ka. I don't care. May mga ganun
Because siguro tayo
siya
mindful-
nag-research siya to how to adapt.
I think because tayo as mothers, as daughters of boomers, we were not taught to really have an open
Hindi,
relationship
kung ano,
with...
oo. Tsaka kung ano lang yung
Kaya
sinabi
tayo,
nila.
as Gen X parent, talagang no, I will find ways to have a relationship with my children.
Correct.
Diba? Na parang, dati, I don't remember my mom's like, how's your day? Wala eh.
Ay, same. Walang ganun.
Walang ganon
Oo,
eh.
Correct.
Walang I love you. Kaya parang mag I love you nanay mo ngayon. We're
Parang
not so
awkward.
used. Pero, very openly ang I love yous at home with our children.
Pero ngayon, sinasabi mo na closer yung relationship
Yes.
mo now with your
Iba naman din ang relationship with my mom now because ang hirap pala ng pinagdaanan ng nanay ko nang walang intervention ng saya.
Again, it's because awareness din.
Yes.
Naiintindihan mo na rin yung mom mo ngayon
Oo,
why she was like that before.
oo.
Because nga, aware ka na rin.
I could not even say
wala
I'm
silang access
Oo,
dyan.
It's not even I've
Diba?
forgiven her. It's like, okay, mom, I understand you now.
Kaya din yun din lagi kong sinasabi sa mga kakilala or yung mga bata or anybody na ka-meeting, I'm going through this, your mom is going through this, probably hindi rin niya alam that she's going through this. Ano na lang, talagang pasensyahan mo na lang, walang nothing personal dyan. Mas mahalin mo pa nga yung nanay mo because kinakaya niya yun. Kinakaya niya yun and it's so hard. So, yun yung mga key takeaway because of awareness that we're building. Yan yung ating nangyayari. So, next, what would Inigo want other sons or children to understand that ikaw may first-hand experience na?
I'd say read. Read with the perspectives of women because it gives you a better understanding of what women go through, especially for men. Like, I don't know anything my mom goes through. So, whatever I learned, I had to, from talking to women, from reading
And then
women's
observe.
books, watching films about women.
Watching a podcast
Yeah,
like this.
watching
Yeah.
podcasts. I think
Correct.
having that empathy and willingness to learn is important because a lot of us fail to realize that mothers are the backbones of the household. Like,
Okay, that's good.
yeah, like they adjust to everyone. So I think
Yes.
we have to give our moms the same grace that they gave us growing up.
Correct, especially during the naiiyak na siya. So that's so sweet, right? Especially that you guys went through that phase then, the rebellious stage. Actually, I have a friend na yung daughter niya is going through some mental issues din. Challenges na ganyan. So parang siya, gusto niyang, hindi rin niya pa alam kung paano i-manage kasi hindi naman tayo na-train or na-educated
I guess
about
ang
that
big,
prior.
Ako ang take ko dito, may mga pangalan na sa lahat ng issue sa buhay.
Oo.
Even, di ba nung bata tayo, pag may kaklase kang sobrang kulit, ang kulit mo yan, pero ngayon ADHD na yon.
Correct.
Or, bakit para siyang ganun? Bobo kasi yan or No, nasa spectrum sila.
Oo. Correct,
Ngayon,
correct.
bakit ganyan ang nanay mo? Perimenopause o menopause.
Oo.
Everything has a name for us
Correct.
now. Kasi before,
And then more definition and understanding.
understanding.
Awareness about it.
So there's
Meron na
more
rin.
space for understanding and forgiveness. Not even forgiveness because hindi naman natin pinili to be here but we have to go through it. Also with mental conditions
Correct.
that we have right now
Ayun
that's
nga.
openly spoken about.
Yung friend ko, para ang hirap, nahirapan siya. Sabi niya, ang hirap. Parang every time I talk to her about something, she would feel sad na parang kahit pangaral lang. Kunyari, papangaralan daw ng anak niya. Oh, yung studies mo, ganito. Oh, yung ganito mo, ganyan. Mamangaral lang siya. Tapos, parang dating dun sa bata is
Na being attacked o affected na.
affected na. So, parang sabi niya, ang hirap maging nanay. Parang hindi na ba ako pwedeng maging nanay? Parang ganun yung perspective din niya. Na parang na ako din na, okay, para ang definition niya kasi ng pagiging nanay is mag-guide, magsabi ng anong dapat mong gawin, wag mong dapat gawin. Yun yung pagiging nanay na training sa kanya. Pero sa kanya kasi, pagiging nanay lang yung nagbibigay ng guidance.
Oo. No, you're
pinapagalitan. Yung ganun.
Ito na yung narrative ng nanay natin. Walang magsasabi ng iba to kung hindi kami.
Correct.
Ang magulang mo. Ngayon talagang oo nga, ito yung sinabi ng nanay at tatay ko, no, na walang magmamalasakit sa'yo. Kids, nobody would love you, and even if it makes you uncomfortable, nobody would love you the way.
Uncomfortable or kahit nakakainis.
Kahit nakakainis.
Lagi yon coming from a good place sa parents.
And it's good with all these informations right at your fingertip sa phone ninyo. Make use of it to better understand also your moms. The same way that I think as moms, we should also find ways to understand.
Yun nga, as you said, listen more.
Listen more. I think the
Ngayon
keyword-
ba, mas nagli-listen more na ang mama mo? Medyo tumagal siya doon.
Medyo
Alam na
parang-
natin
Let
yung
me dig in
sagot
my
doon.
brain. I'd say yeah. I think she listens more, but I think she also has her own quirks of like she'll listen but she won't she'll tell
Don't worry,
you what to
lahat ng moms may quirks.
Don't worry.
Hindi
We all have our brand of crazy.
Oo, correct. But I'm so glad that you mentioned that, they deserve the extra love and care. Kasi
Yeah.
nga sila yung backbone and what else? What else pa
Yeah,
yun?
I think just if she complains, just let her complain.
Mm.
Like, my mom, when I would be out on a date, she'd be like, what time are you coming home? Later. Put the phone down. Let mom go crazy, then put the phone down.
Is it safe to say na it's nothing really personal, just let her be?
Yeah.
Nothing personal. Hindi siya galit sa hindi siya parang hindi siya nag-beast mode. Talagang it's really just her. Let her.
Yeah.
Is that what
'Cause,
you're
like,
saying?
even if it hurts you, I mean, growing up, you
Don't take
probably
it personally.
have said something to your mom that hurt her.
Yes.
And she just like kept
Yeah,
it to herself.
sorry, mom. Hindi, totoo yan. Yeah, I've said a lot of
Hurtful.
nasty things.
We all do.
During the teenage years ko, na hindi ako talagang, kala ko at that time, deserve niya yon. So they're going through a lot of things pala. Lalo na ngayon, na we feel that we're on that stage na, holy cow. Yung
Yeah.
grabe pala yung ginagawa ng mom ko
ko.
at that time. Especially, mom na sila, like your mom and me, mom na sila, career women pa. And may mga side quest ka pa.
May side
mga,
quests.
so, yun, ang hirap pala talaga. Surprisingly, napalaki natin yung mga anak natin ng maayos. And surprisingly, even our parents, we always say, lumaki tayo sa palo. Lumaki tayo sa pangaral or
Sa panakot.
sa panakot. Pero okay naman
I
tayo.
appreciate them more now more than ever.
Mukhang
So,
okay
Mama,
naman
thank
tayo.
you sa mga time na sinabunutan mo ako. Naalala mo yun? Kinulutan mo ako, tapos sinabunutan mo ako after.
Bakit?
1980s, kinulutan ako ng nanay ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Diyos ko, dahil.
Oo, siguro inis na siya. sa
Kinutan niya ako,
time
tapos
na
sinabunutan
yun.
niya ako. Well, with that, thank you, Inigo. I think this is something that it's also important for us to understand from the, at least, lens ng ating mga anak. Na, and I guess, biggest take ko ngayon is for children to find your tribe, your friends. Be
Oo
comfortable to talk
nga.
about your mothers.
Good insight.
You have to talk among your friends kasi malamang sabay-sabay yung generation ng nanay niyo na nag-going through.
At saka sometimes kasi, pag galing sa friends nila yung perspective,
mas madaling
mas
matanggap.
na-absorb
Oo,
nila eh.
oo, oo.
As opposed to, I'm going through perimenopause, you have to understand me. Parang hindi
And,
nila
and then for
masyado.
these children to understand, they're not alone.
Yes.
No, na kayo, we all go through,
You're
go
all
through.
victims.
You're all our victims.
Yung pala yun.
It's now time to love us extra.
Correct. Oo.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Inigo.
much, Inigo. That's so
Yeah, thank you,
nice.
Mom.
Thank you so much for finding time. Happy Mother's Day to me.
Oh, yeah.
Happy Mother's Day to
Muntik
the
na
both of you.
tumulo. But that is so touching.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, now, for this segment naman, ante. Hindi ko alam kung excited ako or kinakabahan din.
Dapat excited tayo kasi sila unang martir sa buhay natin.
Correct. So,
Martir nga ba o ka-ano?
medyo mabigat yung martir, parang hindi.
Masyado, di ba?
Tayo yung martir.
Tayo
Sa atin
yung
na yun.
martir.
Sa atin na yun. So,
Yes.
I'd like to introduce pinakaswerteng lalaki.
Sa balat ng lupa.
Yung mga asawa natin, mga swerte
Pinakaswerteng-
yata. Pero wala yung asawa mo for today's video
Oo,
kasi
oo.
medyo
Kailangan niya
introverted.
magtrabaho. Oo, ka-introverted.
Oo, yung asawa ko extroverted yan, pero hindi ko alam kung sa camera ba.
Parang kabado siya kanina.
Lalabas.
Parang kailangan ko bang gawin to?
Paulit-ulit siya. Kailangan ba? Sabi ko, wala akong, yung anak natin, introverted, di yung magsasalita. So, ikaw na talaga.
And it's really important that
may perspective din.
perspective ng ating mga
Ng
partner. Kahit man lang isang representation. Para hindi nila sabihin, hindi kami represented dyan, ha? May representation na sila.
Correct. So, from their perspective.
Oo.
Okay, I'd like to introduce, yun na nga, yung pinakaswerteng lalaki.
Sa balat ng lupa. Sa balat ng Bel Air.
Ang aking esposo, Lawrence Lariola.
We are so happy to have you here, Tito.
Surprise!
Are we happy?
Are we that happy?
Oo.
Sorry. Pagkatapos maraming pagbabanta. Sandali, sorry po. Paano ka ba na-convince si Ante Ben?
Yes. Thanks for inviting me.
Sorry
Thanks for
kasi-
inviting me, but I was really hesitant to start.
Actually, mag-shoot na nga tayo. Kailangan ko bang gawin to? Grabe.
Oo.
Pero when she said that it means a lot to her, syempre parang I'm here to support you and your advocacy.
Thank you
everybody.
so
Yeah,
much.
So that's why I'm here. Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So,
I also want to be a perimenopause survivor at the end of all of this.
kasama siya sa ating merch na gagawin.
Perimenopause survivor.
Survivor. Pwede.
Correct.
Tama. Pero ito kasi ito yung madalas naming natanong natin kay Inigo earlier. Kailan mo na unang napansin, na-notice, yung mental changes? Suspecting na, why is my wife kinda different. Huwag mo na sabing habang buhay siyang baliw.
Kinda.
Kinda. Maybe slight change, yeah.
Ayusin mo, meron akong basa sa ilalim ng balls niya. Pag hindi maayos,
I heard
bas
you
ang
guys
balls.
talk about brain fog a lot, di ba? And then, medyo napansin ko, medyo nahirapan na siya sa math. And then,
Dati pa ako dahil
Alam mo
Wag
sa
yan,
yung eskwelahan namin, di ba?
Oo.
Hindi
Matagal
math
na
ang,
kami.
hindi
Okay,
math
not-
ang
Hindi
strongest
yun,
namin.
hindi yun sign ng perimenopause.
I
Wag
can-
kang ano.
Definitely the mood change. For my son and I, we noticed na may,
Na-notice nyo. Oh.
yeah,
Ba't parang nangingilid yung luha mo,
yeah, medyo,
Tito Lord?
are you okay?
Parang, paano mo na-notice, Daddy? Oh.
It's become, maybe,
Wala
it's
pa,
becoming
wala
a
pa.
little more frequent. You know, she gets irritable over the smallest things, ganon.
Oo.
So, syempre, we just,
Bakit dati ba? Hindi ako ganon?
maybe once a month.
As a period.
Because sa period.
Maybe.
PMSing once a month.
Yun
Alam mo,
100% na ganon lagi.
alam mo,
Ganon.
ay, hindi, yung time, pag alam na nila, naghahanda na silang dalawa.
Yes,
Tama,
yes,
or
yes,
siya
yes.
lalo naghahanda
We
na.
have a protocol na.
Na pag
Oh.
may PMSing ako, handa.
Yun lang, we have to do it now more often.
Ngayon, more
Mga
often.
4 times a month na.
So ngayon,
or-
ganun
But
na.
to be honest, when we also heard about perimenopause,
Na last year lang, by the way.
na last year lang, medyo we had a talk na to be, to be more understanding and more patient. So we get it now, we get it. Although we have protocols in place
So
na
it's,
rin.
diba, yung key talaga is communication talaga. Siya ang kumausap sa anak ko na, mom is going through, naririnig ko lang yung, mom is going through this and that and yan. And then, why is she like that? Why is she like this? Kasi hindi nga, she's not
This
like that
after a fight.
before.
This
Oh, after a
Ganun
fight.
siya.
So, my question is, yung emotional friction prior knowing what she's going through, how was it affected the
Emotional
Oo.
friction.
Oh, emotional friction. Na hindi nyo naman alam, parang nababaliw lang asawa ko.
First of all, ako kasi very vocal ako talaga sa kanya. Lord kasi
Ako.
is not.
Ibang vocal to.
Siya bukal, kalbo lang talaga. Pero hindi kasi siya yung mga ganon. Yung sasabayan niya ako. Hindi siya ganon ever since. Ako, ganon talaga. Ang naging issue lang namin nung lalong may emotional na ganito is the avoidant characteristic niya.
Kaya tayo nasasabihan ng viewer natin, ang dami na naman natin opinion. Pasalitain
Okay.
mo si Lore.
No. She's,
Sige, hawak ko naman yung buzz.
yeah, she's telling it like it is. Like maybe one of the most recent fights is more of like, hindi naman pala fight, more of argument is like, syempre, she's vocal about it. And then ako naman, I don't want to deal with it rin. So I used to go step away. So now I'm waiting for the next fight para I can show to her that I'm gonna stay and
No,
listen
hindi.
to her because I realize she's
Kasi
going through something.
Lagi ko kasing complain is, every time I'm going through some emotional,
Roller coaster
oo,
ride.
ginawa naman niya,
Hindi.
nakasalanan naman niya, tapos biglang iiwas na, teka muna, iniwan mo ako dito, ikaw naman may magagagawa nitong pinag-aawayan natin.
Baka dahil alam niya what's good for his health. Pero
Fight or
I
flight.
have a question kasi I don't know kung sa akin lang nangyayari. Makakalimutin sila?
Oh yes! Yun yung isang
Totoo
pinag-aawayan
ba
din
to,
namin.
Tito Lore?
I don't remember.
Or you just don't listen,
I
ano?
don't remember. Ayan na. Hindi kasi, pag sinabi mo, ito, may meeting ako ng ganito, tapos pupunta ako sa ganyan, and then on that day, may ganito ako. Okay. May mga
May
tanong
okay
pa
pa,
siya.
oo.
May tanong pa siya. Talaga? Anong oras yun? Anong ganyan? So, akala mo, nakikinig. On that day, alis na ako.
Saan ka
where are you
pupunta?
going?
Ba't hindi mo ganun din sa akin. Oh my God. Like,
Right?
my work requires me traveling a lot. So, usually, pine-prepare ko sila. Ganito, this time and this time, I'll be in this country, blah, blah, blah. Biglang sabihin, wala ka sinasabi.
So, wala kang
Tapos gagalitin ka na parang, ako ba'y sinungaling? Ako ba'y nababaliw na hindi ko sinabi sa'yo? Kaya ngayon, meron na akong trick, Tito Lord. Dapat gawin mo.
Ano?
Over dinner, ito schedule ko, saksing buhay ang mga anak, sinabi ko sa tatay nyo. Kasi talaga minsan, dumating yung point, ayoko na siyang kausapin dahil
Baliwala naman kasi
Baliwala.
makakalimutan din.
Diba, I mean, how do we now redefine marriage in midlife?
Maybe physical is the fact that
Tumataba kami? Bakit
No,
kayo
no,
payat?
No, kami, you look the same.
Wow, thank you.
Sa mind
You're
mo.
Sa
as
utak.
beautiful as you were the first day I met
Good
you.
Wow,
job.
totoo ba?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sige, maganda ulam mo.
Maganda.
mamaya.
Yun. We'll work for food. Anyway. No, another thing, one thing I noticed also was that you medyo slow down. Like before we used
Slow
to go.
na ako, ganon?
No, not slow, not slow.
Okay, liwanagin
but
mo,
beautiful.
ibabas kita.
Slow but
Slow but
beautiful.
Ibabas mo yung
Yes.
boss mo. Oh.
Yes.
We used to go out every night. Like if you make yaya, we would go out.
Bilyar.
Billiards.
No,
Oo.
crime fighting. Ganon. We used to go crime
Crime
fighting.
fighting.
But
Oh,
now,
wow.
Hindi,
tinatamad na
billiards.
siya, billiards.
Billiards. As in, kahit nagkaroon ng time na
Oh,
kahit
I used to
buntis ako,
see that. Oh, I
nag-billiards
used
kami.
to see that. Yes,
Ganon.
yes.
So, yun daw yung napansin niya na parang hindi na ako masyadong ka-excited lumabas for billiards. Parang ganon yung ano.
But
Yeah, more
excited
of like
ka pa rin ba?
Netflix
But how's
and
your
chill lang
energy
kami.
level? Eh, kayo nga, di ba, parang
Siya excited siya.
matutulog na.
Siya hindi.
Wow. How's
Depends. But maybe just a little more than hers.
Ang
I'm
energy
still-
ka pa?
I'm still
Yeah.
game.
Wow.
Ako
good for
talaga-
Power
you.
nap lang ang...
Oo,
ang
ako
takot.
as in parang, sige, sasabihin ko, okay, pero mamaya, di ko na kaya. Parang sorry.
Mamaya, let's watch a movie
Put
na lang.
Netflix na lang
Netflix.
tayo.
Pero hindi pa nag-uumpisa yung
Ay, hindi naman.
movie, tulog na ako.
Hindi, siya yun. Siya yun.
Ah.
Mga 30 minutes down the May siya yun. Pero yun na nga, yun yung napansin niya, physically hindi na ako masyadong malabas-labas.
So, hindi ko na kailangan tanong siguro kay Tito Lord, adaptability. Mukhang trained well and adapting na siya.
Yeah, years of training pa naman.
Oo,
Hindi,
diba?
kasi parang initially, years of training because of PMSing. Nakaano na siya doon.
Pero to,
Ngayon,
PMS
kasi
on steroids
mas madami
tayo
to,
eh.
Oo, mas malala to eh.
Paano mo mamahalin ng isang taong nagbabago na? Like,
that's a good
paano mo
question.
mamahalin? Kasi hindi
Maraming
kami yung
changes.
mga 20-something na balingkinitan, maasikaso. Ngayon, gusto na lang naming bigwasan.
Oo,
Paano mo
correct.
kami, ma'am, paano, from a lens ng isang asawang may pinagdadaanan ng inyong asawa in midlife, how do you see us loving us in this stage of life?
Well, it's still the same. I'm sure I speak for your husband. We still love you as much pa rin talaga. Yeah. No, and of course, it's more of the understanding. We're all growing old together. It's more about like if you do know what she's going through, and then the same thing we also ask in return rin naman na you have some patience with our memory rin sometimes. Yun naman ang request ko.
Negotiation
It works both-
pala ito.
it works both
Ex-deal.
ways.
Ex-deal.
Ex-deal
Yes, parang
pala
ex-deal
siya.
to.
Okay.
Kailangan daw, pag nakalimutan nila.
Communication rin, yes.
So, di ba sinabi nga may magandang advice, yung Google Calendar nyo, i-align.
I-align ng
Oh,
Google.
meron din siyang suggestion, post-it. Pero paano nalaglag yung post-it?
Sorry na.
Wala
Ganyan
na. Sorry na lang.
Katapusan mo na yon.
Katapusan ni Bojo.
Oo.
Ako kasi mag-Google Calendar ako eh.
Oo, siya kasi tech IT kasi to eh. So,
Actually,
kaya niya yung
ngayon,
Google Calendar.
Tito Lor, I know you guys are our allies now. Okay? Na na-realize nyo na hindi naman kami, umaarte ba kami?
Noong una.
In the beginning,
Nasa isip na yun.
sometimes, yes. Sometimes I think it's
Umaarte
a little
lang.
No.
exaggerated.
Which is good thing. Na,
In the beginning,
na,
yes.
na, sabi, noong una, naisip ko, arte lang, drama, queen, ganon. Pero nung nalaman niya about na I'm going through and then I told him na, oh, this is what's happening, blah, 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 blah. Doon na niya na-realize na, okay, this is real pala. So that's why it's important na malaman ng mga auntie natin, i-share niyo ito i-share niyo ito sa mga
asawa
husband
niyo.
na normal palang isipin na ganon. But, that's why we're doing this awareness campaign para ma-realize niyo na hindi to nagda-drama lang at hindi to drama queen lang o nag-iinarte. Meron talaga kaming nararamdaman ng mga symptoms, especially mental, 'di ba? So, yun.
Tito Lor, pero if you have one question to midlife Antebel, meron ka bang gustong itanong sa kanya na hindi ka...
Bukod sa kailan ba
Bibagwas ng
matatapos to? Charot.
How many years is
Tinanong
this
niya ako
again?
doon Sabi niya, how many years is this again? Ganun din
For
niya
the
ako
rest of your
talaga.
life.
Oh.
Anyway, was that
It's
one
still worth
question?
it. The rest, because that's just one small thing compared to all the greater things that, you know.
Oh.
Before.
You raised your husband well. Good
Boss,
job.
But,
So, Tito Lor, in closing, ano yung message mo sa mga partners or husbands of Gen X women going through this transition in life? Meron ka bang gustong i-advise sa kanila?
Run. No, just kidding. No.
Hindi makakalabas ng buhay ito mamaya.
What's the international sign for help? No, but seriously, guys, I mean, for the men out there, we're all aging, diba? And then it's something that the girls cannot avoid. One way or another, if you marry the girl, then she will go through perimenopause.
And you
If
guys were magtatanda din kayo, excuse
Yes,
me.
yes,
Kasing
yes.
tanda
It's
namin
a
kayo.
give and take lang naman. So both it should go both ways then. So you understand her, and then in effect she'll understand you rin sometimes. Sometimes.
May sometimes. Oo.
It's also important to always choose kindness then. Parang keep the peace also, you know.
Kaya pala hindi kanya nakakausap na.
Make love not war. Pero yung avoidance na yan, okay, I get it.
Masyadong make love, lalo na pag
Hoy,
dry.
nirace ko yung, nirace,
Karen.
Oy.
di ba yung kwento ko sa'yo?
Karen,
Sabi ko,
yeah.
nag-dry, binigyan mo ko ng payo. Sinabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko alam na nasasaktan ka
Yeah,
na
kasi
pala.
you say.
So akala ko, kakalma muna tayo. Ate, the following day, may lube na dala.
You're
Just to
welcome.
be sure. Just to be
You're
sure.
welcome, Tito
You don't
Lor.
wanna hurt the one you love.
So yun. So,
Aral na aral. Good
Correct.
job, Ben.
Oo, diba?
You know, I think our husbands are always our firstborn sons. Kahit na ano sabi mo.
pero ayoko nang magnanay ha. Tigilan mo na yung
Exactly,
pagnananay ko ha. So hindi. Isa pang payo din natin sa mga married couple, it's important din na wag niyong gawin nanay yung asawa niyo ha.
Pero
Kasi-
alam mo, culturally, I think Filipino men are forever babies.
Yeah.
Culturally.
Culturally,
Why?
yes.
Now,
but
if
it
we
doesn't
want to
mean-
change it, we need to change our sons.
Oo,
Mm,
yun
and we're
nga, it starts
raising
from there. Oo.
Boys.
So wala na tayong pag-asa.
Wala na
mabuhin.
tayong pag-asa dyan, pero
Give up na kayo.
ngayon, Gen X moms and millennial moms, if we want our sons to be husbands to their future wives, teach them to, you
Yan na
know.
nga yung lagi kong sinasabi, ante. We're raising our son na, you know, mga ganyan, na very open, very understanding. Pero sana rin yung mga daughters din,
Yes.
na pwedeng mapangasawa ng mga anak. I-raise well din natin sila. Kasi medyo para win-win lang din yung situation natin.
Meron ka pa bang hanash sa amin?
Wala. Oh, nag-a-adjust naman siya well.
And I
wag
think also-
Hindi, ni-raise ko rin kasi sa kanya na ina-avoid mo lagi yung emotions ko na parang iniiwan mo ko sa ere, gano'n. Doon lang din niya na-realize na, nga no, that's probably because the way he was raised then. Na,
Kasi
yung lola
nga-
niya, kasi orphan na to nung
I didn't realize
4
na
years
Gen Z
old.
pala siya that she needs to be heard.
Wow. Ay, di wow.
Namatay yung niya, 4 years old, so lola lang niya. So pag nagtatalak yung lola niya, ang wiring nila is just, okay.
Shut up and listen. Yes.
So ngayon, ganun din yung parang ginagawa niya the way he was raised. Kaya tama ka, we start raising our sons na maging...
And we start raising our daughters the same way we are. Exactly.
Correct.
Good. I think this is a very
Let's
wonderful.
change the world.
Wow, ganes. Okay, di wow. But no, thank you, Tito Lor, for finding time. I know this is not a place of comfort for you, but it's our way of telling our viewers that they are our allies. You know? They
Victim
are,
number one
victim
sila,
number one.
pero alay natin.
Yeah, and for them to be brave enough to show up and understand from their lens.
Correct.
Kasi naririnig nyo lang yung nararamdaman namin lately.
Oo.
Pero it's good to hear from their side.
Oo. Pero lagi din nila may sinabi rin siya minsan na it takes two rin naman. It's a two-way thing din. Siyempre, kasi lagi yung sinasabi, yung anak mo, magagalit ka, magaganito ka, iintindihin ka niya, pero may feelings din siya. So, yung mga ante natin, awareness is the key that we're going through this, na kung ano man yung lalabas natin sa bibig natin, sinabi ko kay Inigo kanina, wag nyo na lang masyado personalin, we're going through something, understanding na lang. That's why you said, kindness, wag nyo nang isipin na may problema kayo, may problema
It's
siya.
you, no?
Kindness na lang yung ipalit ninyo. And then, kami rin mga ante, let's be aware na may ganito tayo para very conscious din tayo siguro. Probably, kaya din, ganun yung situation na parang bigla na lang tayo nagagalit, tapos biglang mamaya, gusto mo kumain? Gusto mo magpa-deliver ako? Kasi nga, nare-realize na natin. Eventually, that's a good start na rin. So, wag nyo nang isipin na parang, baliw ni mama, kanina
Baliw ng
galit,
asawa
tapos
ko,
biglang
ngayon,
ganito.
oo.
Diba? Isipin nyo na lang na na-realize na nagkamali siya. And this is her way to make
amends.
bawi or make amends in that. Pero don't expect na dire-diretso. Baka maulit-ulit yon. So adaptability is key then. So, it's important to have support like that also.
So we'd like to thank you, Lawrence, and of course,
Thanks,
our
love.
Yes.
Masarap ang ulam mo, mama.
Masarap mamaya. Ulam ba ng Diyos yan?
May dessert pa siya
May dessert
mamaya.
pa mamaya. Very good, very good.
So that's our episode for today, Ante. Ang napakagandang Mother's Day episode. And it's refreshing to know also ano yung mga perspective ng anak at asawa sa pinagdadaanan natin. And I'm sure yung mga ante natin, meron ding mga ganyang kwento. So comment lang kayo na yung mga kwento nyo. I'm sure yung ibang mga ante natin makakabasa, makaka-relate din.
O sa akin, ang key takeaway dito, paalam nyo lang ang pinagdadaanan ninyo. They will listen. Our spouse, our children, even people at work. Just so they understand. So long as we keep normalizing this conversation na hindi tayo nauulol.
Correct.
We would like to thank all our viewers, our guests, of course. It's not easy for them, but they were brave enough because we really consider them, our family, our first ally in this transition phase. So, isama nyo sila sa journey, hindi lang yung the bad but the good kind. Communication is key.
Yes. And sinabi mo na nga alay, so yung mga mama nyo, mahalin nyo.
Mahalin ninyo.
Mahal kayo ng mga
Extra.
mama nyo. Extra
Yes.
mahalin nyo. Now that you understand what she's going through. At ganun din naman si mama nyo nung bata-bata kayo. Inintindi rin kayo kahit mahirap kayo kausap, di ba? So,
Correct.
ano lang.
Happy Mother's Day, ah.
Bigayan lang talaga.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita
Ante.
Belle. Yes. What's your plan on Sunday?
Ay, yung family ko na ang may plano doon.
Ako din.
Diba? Para ma-free up naman ng ating...
Oo. At least for one day.
Correct.
And with that,
this is Ante Belle.
and this is Auntie Karen.
And this is
Auntie
Auntie
Ty.
Ty.
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day!